Hey guys, Mrs. Klein here. How are you all doing? This is May, week 8, day 2, which is actually Wednesday. This is math for those of you who have this geometry math lesson right here. It says count the number of sides and angles for each shape to identify each polygon. The polygon names in the word bank may be used more than once. So they gave us 4 polygon shape names and we have to match them up, and they're not all going to look the same because the only requirement is that in order to be named one of these polygons, they have to have that many sides. So a hexagon actually has, does anybody know how many sides a hexagon has? And it's hex that tells us this. A hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. What about a quadrilateral? Does anybody know what a quadrilateral, how many sides it has? 4. Good job. 4 sides, 4 angles. All right, what about a triangle? How many sides and angles? Yes, 3. You are correct. Good job. All right, and then a pentagon. This is one that you're not as familiar with hearing, but some of you may have heard of this. A pentagon, pent, has how many sides and angles? 5. You are correct. So that's going to be very helpful for you guys to know these numbers. And if I were you, I would write them down beside them so that way you guys can go ahead and remember the number that goes with them. So when you're looking at your shapes, you can count the sides and you can look up, and if it has 3, you'll know you're going to write the word triangle. And guess what? Yes, you are all going to write all of these words, the full words. Mrs. Klein is going to just put an H, a Q, a T, or a P because I am doing it on the computer here for you. And it's very difficult for me to write with this pen on here. And you guys do not want to sit through that. It would be way too painful. Most of this you guys will be able to do on your own now that I explained that though. So we're only going to do a few together. All right. So our first shape here has how many sides? Let's count. 1, 2, just 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. What's the name of the shape with 4 sides? Look up here. Yeah, quadrilateral. So you're going to write the word quadrilateral. And you are used to Mrs. Klein having mistakes on this, huh? All right, I'm just putting a Q. You write out the whole word. If you need to pause it, pause it. If you want to finish it after the video, that's fine too, okay? All right, let's go ahead and we're actually going to go down to this row. We're going to do some in this row. Let's do D. How many sides does D have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. What was our word for 5? What shape? A pentagon. You are correct. So you're going to write the word pentagon. I'm just writing a P. You write out the whole word. All right, let's actually look at E here. Well, no, let's skip E. You guys are going to do E on your own. Let's look at F. Ready? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What shape was 6-sided? Yes, a hexagon. You're going to write hexagon. I'm just writing an H, but you're going to actually write the word hexagon. All right, let's go ahead and skip down. Let's look at H. Let's count the sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 sides. What shape was that? Yeah, a quadrilateral. Good work, guys. You're going to write out the whole thing. All right, and then let's go ahead and look at K, and then you're going to do all of the others all on your own. Let's count the sides on K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What shape had 5? Pentagon. So you guys are going to write out pentagon. All right, good work. I can't wait to see this page. You guys did great. I'll talk to you guys later. Love and hugs. Bye.